Alright, my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I just want to show you the scrub that I use, because I just want to introduce you guys into this scrub. Yeah, I think I made this video on this channel, but it's been so long, it's been more than 1 year. I made such video showing you the quick scrub that I use on my face and also on my body. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can, just share the video to share some knowledge. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. This is a clean and clear exfoliating scrub. Alright, let me hold it still so you can see and read all that is written on it. I hope you can see very well. Alright, that will do. Okay, so this is actually called Morning Boost Skin Brightening Facial Scrub. It helps to control oil on the face, because I usually produce more oil on my face at the T-zone, especially on my nose, like so much. When it's afternoon, like the oil on my nose will be so much, except I use some concealer or stuff. Sometimes I actually don't like using concealer. I actually love to use some egg whites to just minimize the pores, so the oil can't shouldn't be too much. Alright, so I use much of natural stuff on my skin. This is actually one scrub that I always have. It's been so freaking long. I've been using the scrub. You can see it's almost finishing. Yeah, I showed you. I'm going to be showing you that again. Alright, it's actually made from Johnson & Johnson. Alright, and this scrub contains some little particles in it, and those particles are made with some I think it's camphor, something like that, yeah, and it helps to clear up some skin pigments and skin blemishes and all of that stuff. Now let me tell you, one of the main reasons why I actually love using this particular scrub is actually because when I get too exposed to the sun and my skin is beginning to divide, like for instance when my face is beginning to go darker than my body, I remember and I'll use the scrub on my skin. I'll leave it there for like 1 hour or thereabouts. I'll leave it there for like 1 hour or thereabouts, or 30 minutes, depending on how long I use to do some other stuff, and then I'll wash it off. I actually use just this. Sometimes I would just use my soap on my body and this on my face, because it's very foamy. It foams like mad, like really much, and it's really friendly. It's very mild for all skin types, so you can as well just purchase it and have it if you want. Alright, and also it helps to brighten up the skin. It will help in brighten up your face, your hands. These are the places I actually love using this stuff, those exposed places on my skin, like for instance my hand, my face, my neck, sometimes my chest around here like this, and my foot. Alright, so I just rub them around that place and leave it for some while, and then I'll wash it. Now it helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells, like there's some dead skin that on the skin that needs to be removed, and this stuff, it helps me do that. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you a short video where I apply this stuff in my bathroom before coming out and applying my makeup and sitting down here. Alright, so let's go. Good morning guys. Alright, so this is a quick scrub that I use, clean and clear. I just want to show you guys how I use this and how long I actually keep it on my face. Most of the time if I actually run out of time, like I'm going out, I want a very quick scrub to exfoliate my face, my neck, and also my hands. I actually use this. You can see I've used so much from it. It's usually here. Okay, it's an oil-free scrub with busting beads. These are the beads. You can see some beads in it, some little beads. It helps in killing some bacteria on the skin, like eczema, like ringworms and all of that stuff. It's also helping reducing pimples a lot on the skin. It's also brightening up the skin, yep. And it contains lemon and papaya. Alright, so invariably, if I don't want to use my lemon and baking soda scrub, you know, the time to mix it, I'll just use this. I actually usually have this for so long because it's actually not the only thing or the only scrub I use. I use so many scrub, like especially natural scrub, like the one I mix myself and all of that. So I'm going to be taking it with my 2 fingers and, you know, applying that on my face. A little goes a long way, so I usually don't need to apply too much or so much at a go. Okay, look at the beads. Look at the beads. Yeah, when you press it, it melts. And I apply it everywhere in my face, both my under eye and everywhere. I also apply it on my neck because I need my neck and my face should be just one color. Alright, that's why I usually apply it on my neck, and also apply it on my hands, especially at this back side of my hands. I usually don't apply it at the side of my hands. I usually don't apply it at the side of my hands. I only apply it at the back side because some usually, you know, touch the side, you know, therefore making it darker than the other parts. Okay, just a little will go a long way. So after applying this, I usually leave it on my skin while I brush my teeth and, you know, do other stuff. Okay, let me just sit there and, you know, perform the job. I'm going to be leaving this on my skin as, you know, long as I would have to brush my teeth and, you know, do some other stuff before taking my bath. Alright? Okay, so now I have to brush my teeth and I would be seeing you guys later where I'll have to be telling you stuff about the scrub. Alright, that's actually it, and that is how I actually use it, and you know, I leave it for that long and it works for me. So if you want it, you can actually get it online. It's from Clean and Clear products. Is actually really good. Clean and Clear also have some cleanser for pimples, for oil and all of that stuff. So their products are actually, you know, good, so you can purchase. Alright, and it's really friendly on the skin. It doesn't really burn the skin and all of that. So oops, there it is. So if you want it here in Nigeria, you can actually get it in the supermarket and all of that. You have to be reminded to check the expiring date, okay, so you don't buy the fake one, and so you don't buy the expired ones, okay, because I kind of feel that it works. It helps to control oil on the skin and it's really friendly. Alright guys, that will be it for this video. If you did find it interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will come your way again tomorrow. Okay, so I'm actually carrying my natural hair, though it's pretty short, but I love the fact that, you know, some fresh hair is just getting into my scalp, and it's just so good. It feels so good. And also it's just my natural hair. I've not relaxed it. I'm not planning to. All right, that's why I just had to pack it, because it's pretty hard, like pretty painful, like so painful to comb. So I'm gonna be, you know, making the hair really soon, because I can't afford to carry this hair for so long, because combing the hair is another challenge. All right, so I'll see you guys. Bye.